You see, it will now receive, but we need to transmit, no? So if you need to transmit, you press this for a few seconds. It turns red. Here you can see this. This is a Bluetooth device from Sounds. It is one of the cheapest available online at just 200 rupees. This here you can fit here. It is fitted through jack pin, and there it is a switch. You can see this switch. It can act as a receiver also and as a transmitter also. It can transfer, so you have to press it. Red is for transmission from a TV to your music system, the red signal, and the blue is for receiving. Suppose you use it in your car, it will receive, or your audio system, it does not have a Bluetooth, you can use it as a receiver, or from a TV you can use it to transfer the audio. I'll show you how. One more thing about this Bluetooth device, its range is very short. Okay, if you keep it around 2, 3 or 4 feet, the signal doesn't catch. It is very got weak signal, but at short distance, good stereo signal, you will enjoy the music. In car also you can use, because the distance will be very short. You can see under 1 feet, but after that the signals just breaks down, and you will not be able to get the Bluetooth signal. You see this? Very cheap Bluetooth transistor, only 200 rupees. So this is a rubber given, but the rubber does not look good. Here you have to fit it. The rubber quality is not good, so I'll show you. These are good quality jack pin, you can see. These are given. Even we can fit this one also here. You see, it will receive, but I will fit this one here. Okay, I will fit this one in there. And this here, this one. You see this? You see? And here, this I have taken from this set-top box, Airtel. This, so from the back side I put, and this I will use it here. This. Now test it. Okay. So it is searching for Bluetooth. Here it is on. Let's see if it can find. You see, it will now receive, but we need to transmit, no? So if you need to transmit, you press this for a few seconds. It turns red.